they are cultivating this side, they are doing the tree. But this from their forefather time, they have kept it as a reserve. So they are not cutting the trees. They use this, at times they come and they use this. Very cordial. They were, kind of. They wanted to sit and talk and find a solution.
SGB his
know you very well. Okay, so আপনার মানে বেসিক্যালি আপোনালোকে এই যে কিবা এটা ৰিজাৰ্ভ যে আপোনাক কৈ আছে সেইটো মানে মোৰ প্ৰব্লেমটো কিয় জানানে প্ৰব্লেমটো হৈছে যে ৰিজাৰ্ভ যোনটো আপোনালোকে যে ক্লেইম কৰি আছে এই ক্লেইমটোৰ একো মানে অথৰিটি চাইডৰ পৰা একো বেকিং নাই ফৰ এক্সাম্পল আমাৰ ৰেকৰ্ডত there is nothing called for example the VGR land VGR no yeah this is a boundary so from this side from which angle like it will be better no boundary because this is disputed see the problem is let us not use this term disputed why because I have with me I have the record of this village boundary is wanted and everything so here it is clearly mentioned that it belongs well within the border of Assam so now the problem is disputed when we will say disputed see if you talk about the disputed land then these are the villages where the Kannada people are living like we can call them disputed this is well within the boundary of Assam so I don't think that it come under disputed definition
yes that is out of question disputed is out of question
yeah disputed yeah I understand
that is out of question
see the problem here is that see, the people are also here for a very long time they are also here from very long time we are talking when we are here when others are here
Okay, sir.
you will not talk in between
Okay, sir. Okay,
whatever you have to say
Oh.
tell me whatever you have to say you tell him
Okay.
okay and there is always a civil way of talking don't cross your limit don't cross your line please take him don't cross your limit
Yes, sir.
no my point here is listen
Forest officer, see forest officer. Okay, first you have to see this.
Yeah.
Who issued? Okay.
yeah even see the problem here is that there is no independent authority so obviously if it is happening if the map is being made from the West Jaintia hills they will produce that case their case isn't it it is from our then obviously they will have so everything is on record so let us not go there it is for the government to decide
Yeah. For the government to
we are here
decide.
for immediate solution are you getting my point no issue with that but if you start a new area if you start approach a new area then it might create
This is not a new area, sir.
this no.
This area is not new because from ancient times also, because both Karbi side and then from their side also they work. This area is being as a common only. When it is common in what way?
this particular area
both the sides see do you have any other form of livelihood other than cultivation other than agriculture do you have tell me honestly all of you were here do you have any other form of livelihood are you very rich people your livelihood your no, yes listen to me if you to ensure 2-time meal you'll have to go to the field and work so if you keep fighting among yourself then you will not be able to ensure 2-time food also for you for your children
Okay.
if you have any other form of livelihood then keep fighting but you don't have so agriculture is the only way of your livelihood isn't it to go earn money so wherever so if there is a possible solution then go for it if you start fighting among yourself just like what happened some time back you will not bear any fruit so the immediate solution is that see it is very important for both the communities that cultivate you for biodiversity is really important
cả thảo đâu đó có khâu bên làng phím mà không có xem như trong không mình em tiếng
got we talk there's a written document between them
oh yeah you should sit together
kalau klaim belum sudah itu kan kita tahu juga kan bukan teh
actually no as per the what is taking there's a written document among them regarding
So now, and one more thing. Let us not behave like that we are too any community. Don't do this. If people from this side come to this side, this side, that side. No, you should have people. See, the communities, until unless you both the communities sit and talk, this matter will never get resolved. No matter what we do, as a administration, whatever we do, it will not bear any fruit.
মানে কথাটো আগতো ইয়াতে একো নহয় মানে এটা প্ৰব্লেম নাছিল যেতিয়া খান্দুলি চাইড প্ৰব্লেম হৈছিলে নহয় তাৰপিছত ইয়াৰ পৰাহে মানে প্ৰব্লেমটো আৰু এইটো আগৰ পৰা দেই মইতো ইয়াতে জন্ম হয় মইতো ভালকৈ জানো মানে এইটো ৰিজাৰ্ভ তাৰপিছতহে মই জেৰগেণ্ডে মানে বস্তুটো ইয়াতে আগতে ইয়াতে গাঁও নাছিলে 18টো ইয়াতে তাৰপিছত পানী খোৱা কিবা কাৰণে মানে তাতে তাত
এইটো কমিউনিটি হোল্ডাৰ মানে যিটো অ'নাৰশ্বিপ তেনেকৈ আপোনালোকে ক'ব পাৰে যিহেতু এইটো কমিউনিটি অ'নাৰশ্বিপ হয় লেণ্ড টু প্লটটো সেইকাৰণে এন এজ এ কমিউনিটি এইটো আমি ৰাখিছোঁ এজ এ প্লট ফৰ ইউজিং ফৰেষ্ট মাইনাৰ প্ৰডাক্ট ফায়াৰ দেট কেন বি এ ভাইবল বিজনেছ কথাটো বুজিছে ন দিছ প্লট অফ লেণ্ড উই আৰ গোইং টু ইউজ ইট এজ হোৱাট কেনেকৈ ইউজ কৰিছোঁ আমি আমাৰ ফৰেষ্ট মাইনাৰ প্ৰডাক্ট আছে বা আপোনাৰ কিবা ফায়াৰ উড আছে এজ এ কমিউনিটি উই আৰ ইউজিং and we have decided that we will not use it for any commercial or personal purpose. Yes. And from this year they are also trying to get into that plot of land, no?
স্পট দিন পাম এইখিনি
এইটো উমটাং ৰিভাৰ নহয় জানো এইটো উমখেৰমি এইটো উমটাং ৰিভাৰ ন অ'কে কিন্তু একো আমাৰ আচ্ছা নৰ্থ আমি ইয়াতে বৰ্তমান এতিয়া আমি ক'ত আছোঁ ইয়াতে আছোঁ নেকি We are somewhere here. আমি ইয়াতে আছোঁ ন ফাংগাপাঙত আছোঁ ন ফাংগাপাং ন আৰু এইখিনিতো এইটো হয় নেকি এই ৰোডটো সকলো মৰ্পচ আমি ইয়াৰ পৰা আহি পেলাই আচ্ছা নাও দিছ ইজ আৱাৰ মেপ এতিয়া আমি চাম ইহঁতে কোনটো মেপ প্ৰডিউচ কৰে দে হেভ দেয়াৰ land they will use let them cultivate on that land there is no need to there is no need to start plowing in a new land which is contagious. See, the problem will happen because this land doesn't belong to one single individual. The entire community, they have ownership, and they have this understanding between them that they will not use their land for any cultivation purpose, any personal or commercial purpose. It is for the community, so that in future, if the population grows, if there if there is any explosion of population of some people, they have more number of children, then there is a lack of resources, then they will proceed there. That is the point.
সিহঁতৰো আছে সেইটো ৰিজাৰ্ভ আছে মানে ব্যায়াম ভিলেজ সিহঁতৰতো ৰিজাৰ্ভ বনা আছে তাকো মানে কিছু পাছ কৰিব নোৱাৰো
public who cultivate it, they did not know. From time immemorial,
from the time this village has been established, they have not used this land for any cultivation. So the only fact right now here is that they are asking that wherever they were cultivating, alongside with them, peacefully let them cultivate. We are also happy to cultivate because this is cultivation season, isn't it? So wherever they have been cultivating, let them cultivate. But they should not proceed to a new area because what will happen is make the one or two people they might understand, but all of the bunch of the people that are population is that means
Only this side, no?
Yeah, this side.
This side, left side.
How big? Yeah, I want to know their side of story also.
This before, so this particular place, commonly used.
Commonly used. Hey, wait. Okay. And their point is basically
This particular place.
তাৰ পিছত ইয়াত আলোচনা দেই যেনেকা ফিচিৰত থাকাছিলা তাত আলোচনা আছে আপোনালোকে ইমানলৈকে কাম কৰক কাম কৰিব নালাগে নহয় আগৰ পৰা এইটো ভাগ কৰিছিলে তাৰপিছত এইটো যিটো বৰ্তমান যিটো প্ৰব্লেম হৈ আছিলে এইটো জাগাটো ৱেলিছ ৰিজাৰ্ভ মানে ইন ফিউচাৰ মানে ঘৰ বনাবৰ কাৰণে কিবা কাটিবৰ কাৰণেহে এইটো ৰিজাৰ্ভ কৰিছে ইভেন মুখামী মানুহে তাত খেতি কৰা এইটোহে ডিষ্ট্ৰয় কৰি আছে না এইটো মানে তাৰ পৰাহে প্ৰব্লেমটো হৈছে
acha ownership kiba ase is there any Karbi this plot of land should be spared this plot of land should not be cultivated this is the only point of contention so they are not even allowing their own people to cultivate here
Gani ki
nijo manu cultivate ko bariya
Tahu gani ki thao manikar ki berul asam itu ruk ki pilih tu ini
even from their own for you also both Jinka isn't it it is a commercial product so that is why I am telling you kindly don't fight among yourself we can only come here once in a blue moon and sort issues it is up to both the communities that you should understand within mutual understanding you should fix a place which can be used for cultivation only and which is barred for cultivation if they are saying that let us not use it for cultivation let us not use it if tomorrow if they go to that side and if they start cultivating in your reserve you will also feel offended
Yes.
are you getting my point so wherever you have been cultivating for in past year cultivate there you have been cultivating alongside isn't it there were no issues so why to approach in a new plot of land which is yet to be resolved by the government now if it is in their possession so they will obviously have claim it isn't it so let us not go there government will sort it out in due course kindly stay limited to the plot of land where you have been already cultivating okay because for you livelihood is more important if you keep fighting police forces will be stationed here no agriculture will happen you will die in famine police force will stationed here do you want this to happen no sir
No, we don't want to go.
because it will happen no this will happen police forces will be stationed here because we are friendly we are not they are not part of Pakistan or we are not part of Bangladesh we both are part of India only so we are friendly I am talking to Mr. Panbu I am talking to Mr. BDO Sahab Mr. Sangma we all are on talking terms so we will our main concern is to maintain law and order and for that we will place the police station police here that your movement will be hindered you will not be able to do cultivation properly so that is why I am telling kindly understand okay please translate whatever I have said
not allowed to do and your people also will not allow to do because this is a reserve land so you should understand please that's enough
That I explained.
that's enough
Now the main another problem is that they said that we already cultivated the ginger.
Acha, how much time does it take for
They have already
it will
cultivated.
take after November December
November, December.
Sir, this issue happened before, okay? But we have already tell them not to cultivate here because this is the reserve area. But still then they don't listen and came here and cultivate. So what is the use of giving them again? No sir, we won't allow them to cultivate.
That's why we have explained na from tomorrow they will not come. Nong man let's say.
They know each and everything. For that reason only they came in
July of course no
Ini bentar sini suka cak tung pitung. Ini bentar ini mah. Nai pak kau bi ke kampram ini kamu ongi pin nai lagi. Kami mangi dangi bok. Kili kamti ongi dangi bok. Lihat yang sama berhali ya. Kamte. Nai pak warok pin ini man karbile ki imgir garap keringi. Dorap chorap. Ini warok pitipe. Pile. Bayai piasnya tau para pia rapi. Lem emgetiga. Cingetot. Art ni mana leng umkrimi wopi biasanya thok pi rap pi imja imchur pi lagi kerji be ni man Manuk guni garap ini tang YouTube di perang. Mendai ai pisnyau thau ke nei ba. Negli sarkar hi ram pisnyau thau bi. Dang bok pulit ki, Assam dang bok ki Meghalaya dang bok. Kete ong.
Ni lah jauh pan no.
Kata kajing sitom tu ko sahaju ni. La dala I ko sa
You can speak their language.
I know very well, sir. In Khasi also, in Pinar also, I know very well.
Sampai, tapi mencuat no. Khi kat kamu ya kan jawa no. Khi cetai dai dani. I sini dai dani. Kerap ke khi kan kamu ya kan jawa. In sini cedok lah kan jawa mesti sini ya rap. Pilih sini ya rap. Betul kata ke bentar naga. Kalau belau stai te ong klau belang no.
Oh, klau balang.
Klau belang.
Kideng klau. Kikleng dak kideng klau ijo dai.
Jauh dah sini stai.
Pun akam tang nak betul
Let me
kepala.
tell you something. See, their their faith is related to that.
Media lapen karbiang rong ara tum panan kardom pajir lo. Ini langsa press meet ki hang nang ko kalam thege la hello. Kidam tang Meghalaya pen ki wang chumang atu ye la dakke Meghalaya along le pupen Khermi along hakupen hakisarani pen lake Wellage Reserve pu kibiadim nang pri punsi alang tum sai katiki hansu pusamenang ederlo langsa puthak se Khermiarat kachuning ripen di sialong chetong dam pen hadak pen alam the pini me straight wangsi hapu Meghalaya na thupen pustame wang pen kaching wai padu pon lo langsa ching wai along bang ke la pusi cherai pon lo ye la da along le bang ke chungmang atum tiki long lo la pen la da rat batela nitum ACA pen pustame kachuning ridon alam bang ke la helo langsa han so chi phurwek nai che phur phetik ke la da ke Khermiarat punon ACA punon la ke kroikre la pen chidon nunde lapen border alam pen ajoine ladake kidam tang jiliras koralong punon madana long punus setame ladak kambura tum dake west gentle hill pu kambura tum asil lapen writing pet kido ko bangke manghumi melo langsabus thaka bangke council pen punon lapen kara tumpunon SGB tumpunon stame labang ke insai vek nai athe me thanga dim se la hai ot langu ke klemo bang ke ili lang ding bang ke chok chelo lapen kedam tang MP election pustame dak se ke do dak se la tum ga chuklem dak se sai tu ki chuti kilo se tame alang tum vut jok jeder bang ke lang sa phu thak ta prap jing pen insai nang ipusi nitum ACA pen stame chuning rilo pen sudak pen pachini lo
Meghalaya pen ke bang NPS bang kukang lo non cikloyon trok bat cikloyon trok siang bong pen ahoy central government pen hak po lumo jaman po sipurika pasela so puthak mali isit po
langsa puthak ke nitum ACA pen ta chidon nunde athela ke 1951 demarcation lo la pen lake nitum ACA pen punon matuneta echikroy dunde
Met ardi nang pidu nang bang kay litum karbiang long council team atum alang litum se labangso nong lay pelang kacari aja kong kalang litum long sedo lasi alang litum tamen nang celang duna sonte anu se meji pima labangso dim ke cuma ngatum ke lapuan le latum kangton di kali ate ke Pini lapuan cingki pen latum ington sta pinap dik pentain ko natum nang klan thuthai la se palmenan solution kilongi phan bang kala litum han prabjin pen litum daum Khermiarat pen dame chuning ripar piglo la se la bang sorry ap ke nilitum awe nilitum kabil tiari japena ha epi phol nani pen dame nilitum phan la da ke munon phi ap la kini tak enak thai da beda ji ili tumke longley phelang ke pangcho dim ke la ituma kenang sot hem di chi kemi je phan same labit he ang nam tamili tumnon ke dak abidia lu busia joini pensi aprang agambura tum itik pikang tanglo la sela bang so dim ke nili tum ke asap tamen ni tum ke piji phan ke ni tum ke kroi kre mate kroi thek the la se pini akaceraya teng pen tamen ni tum ke deng pon ke la puhan lo jela bang so hanso edelo stame nangchi purphe tik ke nili tum ning samselang la se prabjin pe la bang so hanso tame ke pachi phul pon thuter chi phanse nili tum dak khermia rong parat hoi pen same patunili sarkari gambra hoi pen same tunili parpik lo pasinili hin pen kipudam je bang ke avelo pon sinili nam thing ton onik lo